student, here we discuss about how do we find out which is real and which is fake. Absolute configuration, I am talking about RS configuration of stereogenic center, that is chiral centers of parent carbon chain. So D-aldohexose sugar and D-keto-hexose sugar we will discuss. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you, my child. Now we will discuss here. See here. This is D-glucose. This is D-glucose. I have earlier said to you that this is 2R, this is 3S. Right side R, RR. Left side S. Right side R. Right side OH, RR. Right side OH, RR. Means real is here R configuration. Right side R. Right side R. Left side S. Opposite to it is S. Okay. Now here this is second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. Means there are 4 chiral centers. So we will name it as like 2R, 3S, 4R and 5R. And in the name of the compound I have written over here. We will discuss that also. See here, it is 2R, 3S, 5R, 4R, 5R and pentahydroxyhexanal. This is so real. This is fake. 2 carbon, second carbon, it is S configuration. It looks like S. See here, I have drawn it here. CHO, CHOH and CHOH. Rest of the chain I have drawn over here. Okay, and OH is first priority and second priority to CHO and third priority to lower chain, this lower part of the chain. So we will see that it looks like that it is going anti-clockwise, but fake. It is fake. Looks like counterclockwise or anti-clockwise, but actually real configuration is R. Why I am saying? Because H is on the horizontal line. So in this way, when we will see that it is R configuration from the figure, so immediately reverse the sign that it is not R, it is S. Here I have done say it is fake is S, real is R. Right side R, right side R, right side R, left side it will be S. Okay, because see here it is fake. It looks like that I told you that this is first priority, the upper part is the second priority, this is third priority. It looks like that it is R, but it is R. Is it correct? No, no, no. Why? Because H is on the this horizontal line. So reverse is true. That is 3S is 3S is true. Instead of 3R, it is 3S. Instead here also, instead of here S, it will be 4R. Instead of S, it will be 5R. Clear? In same manner in keto group. This is first priority, the keto part is second priority, the whole of the chain is third priority. And accordingly, we will see that real will be 3S, 4R and 5R.